I have been on the keto diet for 7 days and I have lost 14 pounds as of today. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, also known as B Glam on all social media networks. So keto is a very high fat, moderate protein, and very low carb, no sugar diet. So what that means is in order for your body to go into ketosis, you need to be within a specific ratio level of your macros, which is fat, carbs, and protein, in order for your whole body to switch over to a ketogenic through ketosis or whatever. So basically, so that you're burning fat instead of burning carbohydrates and sugar. So the diet basically consists of the following. Natural fats, so important. I cannot stress this enough. A lot of people go into this diet thinking, oh, I can eat fat, I can eat greasy food, I can eat whatever I want, basically, and that is so not the case. You need to have natural fats. If you have fats that are not good for your body, your organs and all that stuff, then your body isn't going to recognize it as a good fat, and it's not going to put it in the right spot basically in your body system, and it's not going to get adapted to the fat because it's not the right kind of fat. So it's very important that you do your research and you figure out the right oils and the right right oils, right vegetables, everything, right fats, right foods with the right fats basically to be consuming, so that your body can get adapted and start burning fat instead of burning sugars. You want good natural fats. You want good proteins, good fatty proteins with the right type of fat. Again, the wrong type of fat comes on our meats and things like that, and you want to be really careful. You want meats that are high in omega-3, and meats that are high in omega-3 is usually fish. And the one that they recommend is wild sockeye? Yeah. Wild sockeye salmon. It's high in omega-3s and it's a good fatty meat for you to eat. They also recommend like lean steaks and lean pork and some other meats that you guys can look up on your own. But for me, I went looking for those things in my grocery store and I couldn't really find them. I do not know why, but whatever, it could be the season or whatever. And so I just got regular meats. I got regular ground beef, I got pork sausage, I got lots of chicken, and they say to pick the leaner meats and add your fat in. I didn't do that this week and I still got results, so you can take that information how you like if you want to try it out with just some regular meats. They also recommend grass-fed and organic meats because that is going to ensure that you're getting the right nutrients from a properly fed animal, rather than fillers and things like that they give to the other animals for like the regular meats rather than organic, just to ensure that you're putting all the right type of nutrients in your body. I usually don't buy organic, and I'm still kind of like, I don't want to buy organic because it's so expensive. But who knows what will happen down the road. Right now I'm making it easy for myself. And then when I start to plateau, then I'll think of maybe changing something. So for the past 7 days, I have had absolutely no issues with this diet, none whatsoever. I haven't really noticed much of anything. It hasn't been hard to stick to. I'm full all the time. Like, I literally feel full all the time. Like, this I don't understand, because for one, I was eating a lot of carbs and sugar before I started this diet, and I didn't slow down before I started. I more so like ate more before I started because I wanted to get my fill in. But I feel full all day long. Sometimes I can't even eat 3 meals. That's how full I am. And this is so rare. I'm such a picky eater, and there is like not a lot that I can eat usually on diets because of my pickiness. And this diet has enough of the right vegetables that I enjoy that it doesn't make this feel like I'm sacrificing anything. I still feel like I'm eating pretty much the same stuff. I'm just making my fat content a lot higher, and my protein a lot lower, because I used to eat a lot of protein before, like a lot. The other thing that I love about this diet is that all the food that you eat is so flavorful because you can have all those oils and those fats. And like, I fry a lot of my food in with my bacon fat that I make as a part of like my breakfast every morning. I have bacon every day, and all the other meats that I cook in that oil, and it's so good. Like, if you have ever had anything that was fried in bacon grease, it sounds so bad, but it's so delicious. Like, it just makes anything taste good. So I love that about this diet. Never hungry, always flavorful food. So the next thing I want to talk about is how to measure your carbs and how to make sure that you're keeping in this 70-25 ratio. So 70 fat, 70 fat, 20 protein, 5 carbs, right? You want to make sure that you're staying in that ratio. The best app that I've found so far is a pretty popular keto app, and it's called Carb Manager. And this app is amazing, okay? This app is amazing. It not only lets you know if the food that you're eating is keto approved, so it's got a keto grade from A to D, I believe. So it tells you the food that you're about to put in your food diary, that it is keto approved or not. It also will count your carbs, which is the explanation that I gave to you about the fiber minusing out your carb allotment. The app will automatically do that for you. It also shows you a pie menu that you can tap on, and it'll tell you what % of fat and what % of protein that you have eaten in that day. So as far as calories are concerned, I make sure that I'm between 1,200 and 1,400 calories in a day. I like to try and stay within that range. Once you get used to dishing out your food and what a quarter cup of something looks like, a half a cup of something looks like, you don't really need to like weigh things and stuff like that. But in the beginning, I would recommend you get like some type of food or liquid scale that you can weigh your foods, or do it by measurements by doing like a measuring cup or whatever. As you scoop your stuff out, you're measuring how much you're putting on your plate. Portion control is huge. Don't get huge portions. It's not going to work in your favor. You're going to get full fast because the fat is very filling. So I highly recommend that app. It's what I use, and I've been mostly in that range, and I think I'm moving into ketosis because I'm hardly ever hungry, and there's just a lot of signs that it is hopefully happening for me. We'll see. That's basically all for this video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. I'll be doing these I'll be filming them every Sunday, hoping to get them up Monday or Tuesday. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you want this to be more of a vlog style or summary style like I did today. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!